Look who lives in the forest. Friendly animals. Hello, little forest friends. Look up high. A fluffy squirrel is playing in the tree. Look! A gentle deer saying hello to us. Look who is resting up in the tree. A wise old owl. Look at the bouncy bunny hopping along. Look at the little green frog splashing in the stream. Look at the busy little ants marching in a line. Look at the busy little bees buzzing around the flowers. Goodbye, wonderful forest friends. See you next time. Bye-bye, little friends.